Horses out, the elusive win. Best to begin, moving a party out. So now he's got Asian girl talaga. Play the music. Iwo Jima comes next. Rolly Polly. And Dare to Dream is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Canadian girl. Iwo Jima is running by Drella. Play the music is racing in third. Elusive win is down in fourth. Then alongside Pip talaga. Then followed by Rolly Polly and Dare to Dream. Iwo Jima by about 2 lengths. Canadian girl in second, and coming closer now in third is Play the Music. Elusive win is down in fourth. Then comes talaga Dare to Dream, Rolly Polly, Iwo Jima, Play the Music, Canadian girl. Then here comes Elusive win now trying to get closer in fourth. Dare to Dream, Rolly Polly talaga. We have Play the Music. Elusive wind now rushing a party outside to take the lead. Alongside his Canadian girl as they come down at the last 150. Now we have Elusive wind by about 2 lengths. Canadian girl in second, Play the Music, Iwo Jima, Dare to Dream, then followed by Rolly Polly talaga. Elusive wind, and finally Elusive wind. Canadian girl, Dare to Dream, then comes number 4, Play the Music, Rolly Polly, Iwo Jima talaga.
Second to